What's the difference between the stock valve springs and the dual valve springs?
I literally refuse to answer that question.
What?
I'm not. Go here, Fran's on the dyno. Go buy that.
Alright, what are we guessing on this thing?
I got 370. Kyle's got 365.
I'll go 380. It's got a ram air intake.
Yeah, I saw.
It's gonna be ram.
You have the wideband in?
Yeah.
Sure.
Apparently it's not working.
I completely forgot that if I had exhaust, I would have bumped it up.
How's this thing looking? So Matt, this is a 2014 Chevy SS, and we are doing our cam package. And that's all we're doing, right?
Thinks it's got cooks in the trunk or something, maybe.
Okay. I'm gonna quiz myself on this, and I need you to tell me if I'm right. Our cam package comes with our cam, dual valve springs, push rods, and the LS7 lifters.
No lifters.
No lifters. Okay.
Awesome fucking straight pipe solos. This thing's gonna be nice and quiet.
It is quite the process replacing the camshaft. Just don't ask Garrett. Don't ask Garrett how long it takes. They're like, 6 minutes? Everybody's gonna be like, I don't know why they're making fun of Garrett.
We have a good time. It's all in good fun.
Yeah, tell them that.
No one here is genuinely mean.
Well.
Well. Nah, we have a good fucking time.
Garrett, scat pack. Here he goes, sticking his filthy hands in my fucking bag of shit. Just got done taking a shit before we opened the boxes.
Phew. This thing's dirty.
Yep. Sure are.
Huh?
I said as long as Garrett is in the shop, he's just absolutely thrilled.
I like being here.
I can't do it today. I can't stick my head up in here. We're gonna have to go top route.
No way. Upside down route?
I can't stick, dude. I will freak out if I put my head in that crevice right now.
You gotta do it.
I can't. SS's, there's no, I don't even know how you fit that bean up in there.
I think Kyle was telling me about this specific bolt. And how much of a pain in the ass it is. Because I do remember him mentioning something about you hanging upside down in the engine bay.
Yeah, I'll put it back in upside down. They're easy to get out. Break it loose and then sit it out on the floor.
Oh, okay. Is it getting it back in?
Getting it back into a fucking motherfucker.
I think this Chevy SS would gap your truck when it's done.
This thing?
Yeah.
Not a fucking chance. My truck could probably go 1270s right now, fucking 100 miles an hour.
I thought the tuning shit was supposed to like come out soon or whatever for your.
Well, I'm glad I didn't jump on the fucking SCT train and do the pre-order, because everybody who pre-ordered them that they said they were going to be out late fucking November, they're all flipping out because nobody's released them yet, and here we are in late December. Like, they're getting impatient.
Get excited there, huh?
I mean, I'm just so happy to be here.
good. That's a good thing.
Yeah, I know, Garrett. It is, isn't it? Sometimes when I get here in the morning, I just don't want to be here. But now, later on in the day, I'm just feeling great.
How about you, Matt? You feeling great?
I mean, I always feel great. I'm about to do the sneaky slip, as I like to call it.
Looked like you were running a little low on the purple lube there.
Yeah, I think we got just enough. RPM LS3. It's the right one. Oh my god, I think the lifters just fell in.
The lifters fell in?
I'm kidding, Garrett.
I don't even know what that means. Is that possible?
Yeah, it's fucking possible.
Okay.
And it's a bad day. The only thing holding the lifters up is the trays and these aluminum rods I got jammed in here. No, they fall right into the fucking oil pan. Then you gotta take the heads and the oil pan off. But, not today. Not today.
Installed.
Beautiful camshaft install there.
It truly was.
Bill, you want me to slam a cam out of yours next? God, you and Fran are just really anti-camshaft.
Yeah, I know. That's unbelievable.
God, you know, you think the owner's establishment would just really be getting it done.
You would think.
It was nice and stock until you put that fucking exhaust on it.
Bill's never had anything faster than Fran anyway, man. I think my car's Just think, Bill, you could be faster than Fran for once in your life. Come on.
Yeah. I fucking smoked it with my 3000 G.
I was about to say, that 3000 GT is probably the fastest fucking thing in the world back in the day.
Here he comes. We can ask him.
With fucking
You guys can
1280s.
debate it right now.
A little 50 shot.
Wow. Then he could put that fucking cam in his SS and be faster than you for once.
And what? Bill did that?
Yeah, then he said he fucked you up in his 3000 GT.
Yep.
Let's hear it.
Fucking Jack.
Is this your store or what?
Yeah.
Wow.
Drug actually gave me money for that nitrous kit to shut right out.
You really put the nitrous on it?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, and he still got fucked up.
Yeah, I smoked my cut.
By what? What were you in?
My FF.
Oh, okay.
That jalopy in the back corner.
Yeah, there's a lot.
They went faster than that brand new jalopy you got outside will ever go.
Ooh.
Come on, Matt, let's hear it.
That fucking truck goes 12s off the factory floor, and that fucking Camaro. What'd you have to do to get that thing to go 12s?
The guy from Weld called it work truck white.
Now I got a question for you. It's one of those complicated ones again.
Oh, I love your questions, Garrett. There's just, I literally just get here and I'm like, I can't wait till fucking Eric starts asking me questions.
Aren't they so insightful?
Let's hear
What
it.
makes you think? What was the winner of the question this time?
What's the difference between the stock valve springs and the dual valve
I
springs?
literally refuse to answer that question.
What?
I'm not. Go here, Fran's on the dyno. Go buy that.
Why are they called dual valve springs?
Again, I'm not answering that question. Hey, Eric. Can you please explain to Garrett why dual valve springs are called dual valve springs?
Oh my god.
I don't have the time for it. Why are these chips called barbecue flavored?
Because they're barbecue flavored.
Okay.
But like, can you?
Do you know what dual, the term dual, I mean,
Yes,
you're a little
usually
fucking...
means
You know what a
two.
dual overhead cam is? Do you know why they call it that?
Yeah, because there's two cams.
Okay, so why do they call them dual valve springs?
I assume because there's dual valves, but I haven't physically
You
seen the
assume
difference.
wrong. They're dual valve springs, so what does that mean? It didn't say dual valve.
Let's just change, okay,
How
let's
about
change...
dual spring?
There's two
let's change
springs?
the first term. It's instead of saying
There's two
dual, we'll say
springs?
two.
There's two springs.
Yes. There. Genius, ladies and gentlemen.
I need to see them side by side.
He just needs to see. I can't even believe I'm doing this.
He needs to see it, dude.
I need him to see it because I don't understand.
Dude, he's about to smack you in the face.
It's like he can sense when I don't want to deal with him, and he's just up my ass. One spring, dual
Look
spring.
at that, Garrett. Look at that,
okay.
buddy.
I never noticed that
Did you not know
before.
what that was or something? You thought it was,
It's like,
wow. In yours, you thought a dual valve spring. How would one spring control two valves?
I don't know. That's why I said I needed to see it because I don't get it.
That's not in your fucking onomatopoeia dictionary that you got up in your fucking head.
No, dual means too.
It does have 2 valves per cylinder. It also has 4 springs per cylinder.
Nice and clean. Did you get a chance to look in the trunk yet and see what kind of headers they were?
I know what kind of headers they are. I've already told you that.
Oh, you told me you think they're cooks.
Well, Garrett, I generally don't say something if I just think it, so. But you know what? Let's just lower it down and take a look.
So what you got?
And they are. Looks like he's even got me the fucking. Looks like he's even got the connection pipes. Ladies and gentlemen, Cook's Performance.
Nice.
Like 10:30 instead of 10.
Yeah, you ain't lying there. God, them valve covers look fresh.
I mean, yeah, they were literally black when you took them off.
I wish there was something I could do with this car, but I'd have to.
There's some plugs in this thing and fire it up. Hey, it looks better.
Yeah, it's looking fresh. Gonna get a little first start up on this SS now that it's done. Brand new headers.
Alright, this is a 2014 Chevy SS. It got just a full cam package. And we put on Cook's headers that I guess the customer already had. That's about it. See what she does. 439, 426. A little fat though, like 11.7. So, take some fuel. What did this thing baseline? 387. So it's up 40, 50, 53 so far. Which generally for a cam, 50 horsepower. Headers generally another, I don't know, 10 to 15 maybe. So it should pick up like 60 horsepower or so. $449, it was still a little fat. This thing is fucking stupid loud. Is this thing like straight piped or something?
I think so.
Because it is fucking loud.
It doesn't have mufflers.
Oh, no, it doesn't have that solo fucking shit on it?
Yeah, I think my car actually has the same thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Fucking sounds...
I have cats, though.
Huh?
I have cats. I don't know if this has cats.
I don't know if this does either, but it's fucking loud. Solo is basically straight piped with some dumb bent dick thing on the fucking side of it. I don't know what that does, but It's basically straight pipe. This is definitely going to be too loud for a family car. It probably sounded okay with stock manifolds and all that shit on it and just mufflers, but it is way too loud now. .458, 437. Tooling was a lot better there. .460, 437. .462, chipping away at it, little by little. Yeah, we need to race with my V.
I really want to.
It'd be a cool race.
What did you make?
680.
Oh, I'm gonna need E.
Yeah, right. Yeah, you on E, me on pump.
Okay. Cause I made 665 on E.
Yeah. All right. Actually, hold on. Let's change one more thing. All right. Probably the last pull, and then I'll let it cool down. Trans real fast. You fucking dick face. The battery died. Go grab it and I'll be waiting. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm gonna try a little trans. I'll just do a 3-4. Might even hook second gear. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try and do it from second gear. Just film. You don't need to know what the fuck I'm doing. Alright. Ship's good. I'm gonna let it cool down. All right, cold pull. See what we got. .465, 440 torque. I'm gonna make one more. .469, 443. Click on it, it'll go high. It'll go to 460, 470. 470, 443. Dunzo. So this thing picked up 83 horsepower off cam and headers. It's pretty stout. What? Nah, because he made 87, I thought. Click on 0. Yeah, 387. So it made 83 horsepower.
Right.
I know I'm right. That's it. Later.